Are you planning to take a loan? It's a big decision, isn't it? And with so many banks and financial institutions offering loans, it can get quite overwhelming. But here's a crucial aspect that often slips our mind. Comparing loan rates. Imagine walking into a store to buy a new smartphone. Would you buy the first one you see, or would you compare different models, prices, and features before making a purchase? The same principle applies to loans. Consider the world of loans as a marketplace, teeming with different products. Each bank or financial institution is a different shop, offering varying loan rates. One bank might offer a personal loan at a 6% interest rate, while another might offer the same loan at 9%. A third bank might offer the same loan at a 5% interest rate. Picture this. A 3% difference in loan rates might not seem like much at first glance. But when you're borrowing a large sum of money, say for a house or a car, that small percentage can translate into a significant amount of money over the life of the loan. Let's say you borrow $100,000 at a 6% interest rate for a 30-year term. You'd end up paying nearly $200,000 in interest alone. But if you'd taken the same loan at a 3% interest rate, you'd pay less than half that amount in interest. That's why comparing loan rates becomes incredibly important. It's not just about finding the lowest rate, although that's certainly a big part of it. It's also about understanding the terms and conditions attached to each loan. Some loans might have lower interest rates, but come with stricter repayment terms. Others might have higher rates, but offer more flexibility in repayment. It's about finding the balance that works best for your financial situation and future plans. So, the next time you're planning to take a loan, remember to shop around. Compare rates, terms, and conditions from various banks and financial institutions. It might take a bit of time and research, but the potential savings are worth it. In the end, it's all about making informed decisions. And when it comes to loans, an informed decision could mean the difference between a manageable monthly payment and a financial burden. So, take your time, do your research, and make sure you're getting the best deal possible. In the world of loans, comparison is not just the key, it's the master key. And remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about securing your financial future. So compare before you commit. Happy loan shopping.